So we are going to create our mini project again, which we have the KPI, total sales, growth percentage, order, and AOV. Okay.
Oh,
And we have to show the visuals, sale trend, month, and line chart. And by in bar chart, we have to show the sales by product and sales by region. Okay. Then
okay.
top five customers and bottom five products. Okay. Bar
Okay.
chart is suitable for sales by product and sales by. I think pie chart would be suitable for that. E. Pie
Mm.
or donut chart or donut chart. Donut chart. Okay.
Okay.
That's a start. We are, using that same supermarket file for this. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to do that complete process. Let me close this one and let me open the new one, the new Power BI.
Mm.
Okay, just closing it. Save. Come on. Now I'm just going to my Microsoft Store so that I can get, the updated version of Power BI. Typing here Power BI. Okay, it's already installed with the option of opening. Okay, just open it. The basic things what we have to do is first we need to check in options and settings. Are do we have all these things available or checked that we need to make the reports? I'll show you in a second what are those. So first we have to disable this auto date time new files. Okay. Then in Power Query Editor we have almost everything. Direct query, Python script no needed. This is the reason setting. Windows display language update, diagnostic, preview feature is very important. It will give us all those features, okay, that are quite new. Okay, from
Okay.
here we are able to utilize the different visuals and parameters is, where is the parameter, the slices. Okay, all these things. It's a very important preview feature. You have to see it on daily basis so that you are aware of which functionality you have to check on or enable to get particular activity done. Okay, report setting. Now I'm coming here. Here also I'm just making it auto date time. Okay, it's making disable. Here we have relationships. So these both should be on. Okay, it should be enabled. These both should be. This will help us to get the relationships from the database. Okay, on our first load, and it will auto deduct the relationship as soon as we are loading the data. Okay. So regional for the regional setting, I'm in India, so I'm using India or UK because you know
Yeah.
our yeah it our time our you know date format is quite same with the UK, and your time is quite similar
You
with
say.
USA. Yeah,
Yeah.
Saudi Arabia and USA. Okay, yeah, both are
Mm.
similar. So everything is done. Query reduction. Okay, everything is done from your end. What I'm going to do is I'm going okay, and Just everything is okay. Okay. So what I'm just naming it supermarket
market. Mm,
revision. Okay. So I'm just putting it in the same desktop, in the same file path where your work is saved.
mm,
Or
mm,
I just want to just learn project one. Under project one, I'm doing this. Okay. Not this is not you. Mm, I'm doing it in your folder. Just did okay. I just want to, restart this one because once we are changing our setting, we have to restart our Power BI.
mm, mm, mm.
I'm just opening it. Once it's open, I am just selecting that file from here. Revision to this one. This is that one. Let's begin. So first we are getting the data from our, this was in Excel or CSV? That was in Excel, correct?
Yeah.
Where it was, this is your folder and I'm putting, uh, this is the revision one. I'm putting it in day one, right? Global store, global super store. It is an Excel sheet, okay? So I'm just getting it here from here. Okay, once it's done, it's navigating me toward Power Query Editor. So I'm just checking them, both of them, selecting both of them. And now I'm going to transform data. Here, what I have to do is we have to clean our data, basically clean and transform our data.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the same thing. Cancel if you have disabled the downloading data proof. Yeah, this is showing something interesting. If you have disabled downloading uh, from in the background, this expects another given time. Okay, let me retry it, but it has given me the sir the data. Let's transform it. So what do you think? We can see
The
the
first role,
column
yeah.
number one. Yeah, it should
Use the
be.
first role as the header.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm doing it this way, and here we have got it
ID.
correctly.
Mm.
Okay, so let me see. It's showing me no error because we can
Yeah,
see
yeah.
here this green line. Okay,
Yeah.
there is no blank
Mm,
value or no errors. Now let's check to that order table. Row
mm.
ID is this one.
Text.
Order ID is this. Ship. Everything looks fine.
No, no, but the format of the first key.
Yes, format of
Text.
this one looks, it should be text because it's
Text.
ID. Okay, I'm
Mm.
just should be text
Even the
order
order
ID.
ID.
Oh, yeah, order date
Okay.
is okay, calendar, and ship date is also calendar. This is in text, and this is also in text. Customer
Mm.
name is in text. Segment is in text. Postal code. Postal
Mhm.
code is in number. It's okay if it's in number, but okay, sometimes it should be in, okay. I'm just taking
Text.
it as a text, okay?
But still, there
Okay.
is a purple color. What is this? Or blue, or what is
Which
color?
here,
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Mm.
Yeah, because here is the empty value. Okay.
MBI. Okay,
We
okay, okay,
don't
okay.
have any, yeah, that's why.
Data.
Yeah, but we don't have any error. It's showing us. Okay.
Mm.
Here. Okay.
Yeah, zero error.
Now, Shahar. Okay. It's a cities. And
Mm.
state is okay. The country name is okay. Region is okay. Market is okay. Product ID is okay. Data types, all data types are okay. Here the sales, it's on,
Text.
decimal, it's okay. Quantity is
Zero.
in, yeah, quantity is in whole number, is okay. Discount is this one, is okay. Okay, and its profit is In decimal, it's okay. Shipping cost is okay.
minus here.
Order
Profits
priority.
minus.
Sorry. Yeah,
Normal?
if no, it's normal. Yeah, because if you have minus profit, it means you are in loss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm, okay.
So maybe in this year with this product, they have gone for
Oh, we
loss.
lost. Okay.
And everything looks fine for me. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just closing and applying it, closing and applying it. Now let's see. Hmm, Now the second step is to create a model. Okay. But before that, what we have to check, have we got the table correctly or not? So let's check its format. So it's a text, okay? So text number is not the format is not looking good for me. I'm just putting it into this format, okay?
Mm,
Got it? Also the same goes with this format, okay?
mm,
Ship mode, customer ID is customer name. Okay, everything looks fine for me. Here is the postal and text here is this, state is this. Okay, country is this. So what I can do is I'm just putting a sign on it. Okay, I'm just putting it's a postal code, na? So I'm just putting a sign on it. I'm just making a category. Shahar is basically city,
what is
correct?
Shahra?
I don't know. Shahar in Urdu, it's a Urdu. I think it's a Urdu word. Shahar.
What does it mean, Shahar?
Shahar means city.
City. Okay, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. State, I'm just putting it state. Okay. The country, I'm just putting it country. I'm putting it country. Okay. Region, I'm putting it under region. Do we have region? We don't have region. It should be latitude
Country
or
and
place.
region.
It's
Slash.
I am sorry.
Mm.
I'm
See, it's
just
written
putting it
here.
place.
Country slash region. Mm,
Okay, yes, country and region. Yeah. Market. For the market, what I'm going to do is the place. Yeah, place.
Place.
I'm just doing place. Okay. I have just categorized them. Okay.
Mm, 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 mm.
Everything is fine here. Format is this one. It should not be format is a decimal. Data type is also decimal. Whole number is good. Is good. And we have this option summarize. Sum. Okay, is
Oh,
good. For the numbers, we use this summarization part, sum. Okay.
okay.
Now everything looks good. Now I'm going to model view, and I have to make a connectivity between them. Okay.
Mm,
So here is order ID, and here is the order ID. We find, one connection, which is the order ID. So I'm making a connection between them. So it's many to one, and these uh, you know to connect two tables, we need one common column that we have already discussed. Okay,
yes, yes,
and
yes.
yeah, one should be the unique value, and another should have the uh, you know
Fact.
duplicate value. Yeah,
Mm,
so we can see where is the it has this order table has the multiple value. The
mm,
order ID
mm.
is having a multiple value. This should not be the case actually. This is wrong. It means data set is wrong somewhere. Okay.
Sorry.
But
Mm,
yeah, because if you have order, the order ID should be unique. So it means it shares, the order table shares a duplicate value.
mm.
Okay. Yeah, here is a duplicate value. We let it be for this time. Okay. And we are now up to making, the table. Okay. Oh, sorry, the visuals now. So
Sorry, you said
what?
that it shouldn't be many to
So a
many.
general idea. So listen, general idea. If it is order table,
Mm,
why order ID should be duplicated? It should be
mm,
unique, correct?
mm, mm.
Yes. That is my whole point. Means what does it mean?
But why is duplicated? So we have only one ID.
Yeah, listen. Let's check what has happened.
View.
Why it should have the duplicate value. We are going
Mm,
to check. Okay, because it has blank value.
blank. Okay.
Okay, let me check. It has a blank value. That may be the reason. Okay, now, but the thing is, why we are not able to find it there in Power Query Editor? Why we are not able to find it in Power Query Editor? Let's
There's one
check
single
again.
value.
No, no, the thing, no, no, this is not the case.
Okay, if you
You can
view, if
see,
you go on view, can you view?
yeah, we should have gone through view.
Mm.
Okay,
See, it's not
okay,
equal. It's
yeah, it's not.
867, 783.
Um, and empty is it is showing zero there.
But it was
Okay,
one.
but it was
Mm.
one there. Column quality, this one. Okay. So the
It should
thing
be 100.
is, yeah, why is showing us the wrong? As we have seen there, there was one blank value. So what we should have done is, here you can see the column profiling based on top 1,000
Mm.
rows. We should
Yeah.
have gone for the entire data set. Okay. Now
Mm.
this is the right way actually that we have measured.
Mm, mm, mm.
Okay. Now
If
you
you
can
view
see.
now, it will be
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
If
Sorry.
you view it, can you please
Yes.
view
Yes.
it?
Yes. So now we can see that there are some missing values here.
Mm.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to the remove rows and I'm just deleting the blank rows. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. I have deleted the blank rows. Now it is giving us the green line. That means
No.
our data is has no empty value. Still,
Mm.
let me check to the distribution. Okay, and let me check the order ID. Are the values unique or not? Let me check. So it still has duplicate values.
Mm.
Okay, so why it should be the case? We have to understand that. It means some if anybody has ordered something, should it
Mm.
generate two values? No, I think.
No.
Okay.
No.
So we can see here this one. Let's take aside the example of this. So
Mm.
what has happened is, mm, yeah, this one. Let me take its example. So it's giving me the three. This order
Mm.
ID is giving me three values. Okay, three IDs. It's duplicated here.
Mm.
So what? Why it should happen? It has given me this. Here is unique. This is unique. This ship mode is unique. Customer ID is unique. This is unique. This is unique. This is unique. Okay. This is
That
unique.
is not
This
fair.
is unique. This is unique. This is. Here, the product
No,
ID
this
is
no.
different.
Mm.
This product ID is different. Okay. So,
Mm. So that's we need to
so,
consider the product ID as
mm,
the key.
no, 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 not product ID. Because, okay, if you are
No,
going
product
to
ID
do the,
could be says yes. No, no, no. How to solve
Product,
this now?
product ID and the category and these all things. Okay, these are different. These are different, and product name is also different. So it means, with one product ID,
Mm,
in one order ID, they can ask for different products. That is this meaning. Okay.
mm, mm.
Okay. So that's why we are having the duplicate value. And if you are talking about the uh, product ID should be our
No,
unique
no, no,
value.
no. Not possible, no. Because the product could be searched multiple times with
Yes, yes,
different order
yes,
number. Yes.
yes, yes, exactly. Okay. So we will consider it this way. Okay, that
Mm.
it's having uh, uh, you know what duplicate values. So we will consider primary key row ID only. Okay, but to have a connection between these two tables,
With
the
bread
order
table.
ID, yeah, for the return table and the order table. Return table is having all those unique key. Okay,
Mm. We need to create a bridge, right?
need not to, because we can make a relationship between both of them.
Okay.
Why we are going to connect, make a bridge table here? Why should we make? What
I
issue
didn't get
you?
your question.
Okay, why do you think that we should make a bridge table?
Because we need to have two table because the rule ID it's not there in written table. How we will get that
Sorry, can you repeat this?
now written table
In
has no
written table,
connection with the uh,
written table
it's
has order ID.
only order ID, right?
Yes.
And we will not consider order ID is the key. We'll consider rule. So what we will do, we'll make a bridge, no? Between the order
Mhm,
ID, between the order table and the
mhm.
written table.
Okay, you can see here the order ID has a unique value.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
still you are saying that we don't have connection with the order table
But
and the
here
return table.
duplicate. Yeah.
So what? Yeah, so what? Yeah, you are right that these are having the duplicate values, but we can still make a connection between return table and order table, because return table is having unique value. So
Okay.
in return table, this is the primary key, and you are correct. Generally, this is the fact table basically. Usually, it is a fact table, return tables, but here
Mm,
it is not having any, numerical value, just like sales. Okay,
mm.
everything we are having here
Yes.
in order table. So it is
Mm.
not fact table here.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's talking about the return. It's only talking about the return. So this time, this return table is dimension table.
Dimension
Okay.
table.
Yeah, and order
Mm.
table is also dimension table. So we can say that we are making a dimension to dimension connection,
Okay.
dimension table to
Mm.
dimension table connection. Okay.
Okay.
So, okay. So what we are going to do now, we are making a relationship that we have already made. Okay. Now let's create a visual, means report. Okay. So what were there of making a report? First, we have to make the KPIs.
KPI.
KPIs means key performing index. Okay. So total sales. First, we have to make total sales. So I'm making total sales. So okay, the total sales. What would be the definition of total sales?
KPI is very important, you know.
Yes, yes, yes. So these are the total sales. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the definition according to you? The total sales. It would be the sum of this. sales, correct? This column.
mm, mm.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Or we have to add that shipping cost in it, and then,
No, no, why? Total
yeah,
cost is total sale.
yes, total cost is, sorry, total sales is the sum of these sales. So what we
Some,
can
yeah,
do is, so what we can do is here we can
card.
put a card, okay,
Mm,
and from here we can put that
sale.
sales, okay.
Okay.
It's
Mm,
giving me this result. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to create it with help of measure now. Measure, uh, what is a measure? Measure
mhm.
is a basically calculation that is done by the DEX. And what is the
Okay.
DEX? It's a basically expression, okay, that
Okay.
we use in Power BI and uh, Excel as well. So for
Mm,
that, what I'm going to do here, I'm putting
mm,
all the measures here in the order table.
no.
Okay, so I'm just creating a measure. This
Mm,
is total sales, correct?
mm,
Okay, which is
mm.
sum of the
Sales
sales,
table.
order sales. Yeah, order sales. Now I've just done this and just press enter. It will give me the same result. Okay, so here is the total sales. I am just putting it here. It's giving me the sales total sales, the same result. I'm just keeping it as of now. I'm just removing it. Okay.
But
So,
why you do this? Why?
okay, nice question. So, what is this? This is our sales that calculation is done by Power BI itself. Okay,
Mm,
so it
mm,
is called uh, implicit implicit measure. Okay, that Power
mm,
BI do by itself, and explicit that we do with help of DEX. So what happens is we can use this explicit measure, okay, in our future calculation anywhere, but we can't
mm,
use this implicit measure in another functions or making DEX. That's why we are using explicit measure that is created by ourselves. Okay.
okay.
Okay, so we will beautify it later, but first let us create another one, growth. So what would be the definition of growth?
The percentage of improvement.
Yeah,
Sales
but how?
improvement.
Yeah, but how we are going to see that?
Parameter. We put
Mm,
like 20% in or 10% every month. Sales improvement, or I'm just telling you the what I'm
no,
thinking
no, no.
and
Growth means complete percentage. If we have given the last year data, okay, so we will
yes,
minus, this year's total sales to previous year's total sales, and then
yes,
we can take out the percentage. That would be the growth. Okay,
yes,
but we have to check, do we have this already? Okay, 2013 and 15. No, we are having data from
sure.
2012. Okay, okay, let's discuss this one later. Uh, let's go
We
for
can
the
do it
order
in per
first.
month, in month.
Yes, we can do it per month. We
Yeah.
can do it
So
per month, but
we
for
can
for
separate
that,
yeah,
yeah, for that we have to make the date table, correct? The
date
date
table,
table.
yes.
Yes, yes, date table. So we are going to make date table and just share that